Today, June 1st, marks the start of the 2022 Atlantic hurricane season. Forecasters have predicted that it will be an above-average and active one. The Atlantic hurricane season is one we face yearly from June 1st until November 31st, with the peak of the season being from August to October. Our country sits in a disaster-prone hurricane risk area. Therefore, we must ensure that we are all prepared. This is a call to action to put things into motion. On Wednesday, May 25th, I chaired the first preparedness meeting of the EOC, where all 10 ESF function coordinators rendered updates on their plans in place to safeguard our nation in the event of a storm. The season is already off to an early start, with the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration forecasting a likely range of 14 to 21 named storms. We are very much aware of what devastation a powerful hurricane can cause after our most recent experience with Irma nearly 5 years ago, from which we are still recovering. As such, I am glad that over the past 5 years, we are better prepared with the completion of 11 hurricane shelters and moving quickly to ensure that we have 2 multi-purpose shelters within short. However, hurricane preparation is not only the responsibility of government, but an individual, family, and business responsibility. As St. Maarten continues to go through the ongoing endemic phase of COVID-19, we continue to encourage being as strict as possible with our personal hygiene, such as hand washing, optimal mask or optional mask usage, and social distancing when possible in public spaces. Please visit our hardware stores and other entities, such as your insurance companies, to ensure that you've made sufficient preparations before the peak months of the storm.